Hi guys, we would like to introduce our brand new digital day and night version rifle scope DU50. Let's see what's the features this unit's got. The first one is the combination of 50mm lens and a 1920 x 1080 resolution CMOS sensor. Paired with invisible IR illuminations, this makes DU50 a great tool for detecting targets at a distance up to 600 meters.
The DU rifle scope has 3 image sensors, day-night glimmer. It works in multiple application scenarios. In deep twilight, when the human eye is already unable to see details of observed objects, the DU50 displays a bright image with correct color rendering, prolonging hunting time into the night.
Third, dual power supply system. It equips with one built-in battery and 2 rechargeable batteries that can supply 15 hours battery life.
The DU50 uses classic design, mounting on standard 30mm rings. This form factor provides flexibility for mounting the scope on hunting weapons using proven ring solutions.
The shocking rate is up to 800 G.
Our DU50 are multifunctional. It has photo and video recording. All it takes to take a photo or start recording is a touch of a button. And our DU50 have Wi-Fi function. Both support iOS and Android devices. With the connection of our target IR apps, you can open up a wide range of options, such as real-time image transmission to the mobile device screen, remote control digital functions, and much more.
IP67 levels of protections, which means it is fully waterproof and dustproof. The rifle scopes are available to operate in high humidity, heavy rain, and survive a long time and 1 meter deep submersion.
The DU50 digital day and night rifle scope have variable magnification from 3.125 times to 25 times. The high-resolution sensor guarantees the possibility of accurate aiming and long-range shots over the entire magnification range. Okay guys, let's look at what we have in our gift box for the DU50 digital night vision rifle scope. Here for the rifle scope, we have a connector ring. We have a connector ring and an infrared illuminator torch here. And you can use the connector ring to make the torch steady secured on the rifle scope. And for the rifle scope mount on your rifle, we have 2 standard 30mm ring here. And we have an eye protector for you aim the target comfortable. And we have 2 guide customized rechargeable batteries here. And we also have a dual battery charger for you to charge the batteries, and we have a multiple function power adapter. In this part, we have 5 different standard plugs for you to use it in different regions and areas. You can take this night vision rifle scope to anywhere you like to hunt. And we also provide a video transfer micro USB cable and a HDMI cable for you to transfer the video stream and charge the device directly. And for this bag, we also provide a shoulder strap for you to take it, make it portable and easy to carry.